Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my January 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. I am so excited about this. This is only my third box that I've ever gotten from Boxycharm because I actually signed up for a 3-month membership. So can someone let me know in the comments down below if you have to renew your subscription to Boxycharm or if it will automatically renew? I've been getting emails saying to renew, but I guess I'm just confused. So I don't want to miss out on next month, but you all might be able to tell me what I have to do. I definitely have been loving Boxycharm and I want to continue getting it. So this is the regular Boxycharm this month, which is $25 a month. But if you sign up for more months than 1 month at a time, it makes it a little cheaper. That's why I chose the 3-month option to start. But I might even choose the entire year subscription if it's even cheaper, because now that I've tried out 3 months, well, 2 months so far, I tried out one regular box, one Boxy Luxe, and loved it. I don't see myself stopping. So it is, like I was just saying, a monthly beauty subscription box. It's similar to Ipsy, where you fill out a survey and your box gets customized to you. I think you get to choose one product each month, although I don't remember choosing a product for January. So let's just go ahead and see what I got. So it has a product description card. Thank goodness there's actually information on this card, because I keep getting cards from Ipsy that don't actually have my product information on them. And this is Breaking the Ice theme. And so let's check this out. Okay, so this is Avant Shea Butter Rice Bran Panthenol Polydicin. What? 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. Okay. I don't know this brand, Avant. What? $107 retail value? Okay, no wonder I don't know this brand, because that is way out of my price range when I'm buying myself skincare. So this is supposed to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight, helps to tighten and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Nice. I've been getting into overnight masks, so I'm really excited to work this into my routine. I have a little bit left of my Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleep Mask, so after I finish that up, I'm going to start using this one. This is awesome. And I love learning about new brands, especially fancy brands. I love when I get expensive products in my box. So $25 box here, I'm already at $107 value. This is really exciting. Okay, this, oh my gosh, this is too funny. Okay, this is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. And this is an exfoliating face wash. This has a retail value of $28, and this is really good. But this is so funny. I don't think I would have gotten this in Boxycharm yet, because I don't think that they repeat products. But I definitely have already received 2 of these. So I think I got it from Ipsy and FabFitFun already, but it's so good. It's the product that got me started on exfoliating my skin, and that was seriously like the game changer in skincare. I feel like my skin looks so much more glowy, it's less dry, and that's really thanks to exfoliating, and this is such an awesome exfoliator. It's just so funny that I feel like this product keeps popping up in my life. Okay, and then let's see here. Mana Kadar Beauty Simplified. That brand sounds familiar to me. This is the Mana Kadar Beauty Lip Whip. Retail value of $21. This looks like pretty packaging. Matte lip color. I feel like I've never tried out like a whipped lip formula, so that'll be really fun. If you're not already aware, I do a trying a new makeup product every day series on my YouTube channel. So I'm on day like 700 and something now, which is crazy, but I love it. I love trying out new makeup products. It's seriously like my passion. So I'm gonna be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get in my Boxycharm box and my Ipsy boxes. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of those. So I'm definitely excited to try this in one of those dedicated review videos. Next up, oh, this is a Pretty Vulgar undercover concealer. I'm pretty sure I had to do like a survey on Boxycharm. Like they sent out a bunch of samples of colors, which is so smart, and they had you try them out and let them know what shade would be the right color for you. And this is the shade 60, Little White Lies, and I'm really excited. I think this is going to be a great shade for me. And I've never tried out any products from Pretty Vulgar, and I love concealers. It's probably like my top 3 favorite type of makeup products, so I'm really excited about this. Retail value of $25. All right. And then my last product, ooh, this is pretty packaging. Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk. What is this? So Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette, retail value of $34.99. Let's see. Very pretty packaging. I haven't heard of. This is so beautiful. Big mirror, such gorgeous shades, like big pans. Oh my gosh. I love this. Oh my gosh, these colors are so inspiring. They're so like what my eye loves to see. Like I love pinks and warm tones, and there's beautiful shimmers. Wow. Oh, I am so excited about this. But yeah, I was saying that I've never heard of this brand before, and wow, I am so excited about this. Holy moly. This is a fantastic box. I got 3 makeup products, 2 skincare products, but skincare products that are really good that I'm really excited to actually use. So here is a quick recap of what I got. I got the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Exfoliator, the Avant 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask, the Manna Kadar Lip Whip, the Pretty Vulgar Concealer, and the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk eyeshadow palette. Wow. Oh my gosh. Really great products. I really think that this box was worth the $25. I just did unboxings of my Ipsy January glam bags. I did my glam bag regular and my glam bag ultimate. And this box, I truly, honestly think is better than both of those. I mean, the $12 box, I feel like I did get the $12 worth, but this $25 box has me more excited than my $50 Glam Bag Ultimate. So I definitely am going to continue getting both Ipsy and Boxycharm. Let me know if you'd ever be interested in seeing some sort of like comparison video of my Ipsy versus Boxycharm boxes. But oh, I am so happy. Like this Boxycharm box just really like lifted my mood, made me so much more excited. So I can't wait to try these products out in future videos. If you get Boxycharm, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you got in your box. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you in my next video.